Hello, and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to perform a goodness of fit test using Rguroo by entering your data. Let's start with an example. Suppose we surveyed 66 randomly selected individuals and asked them which of 4 fruits, banana, apple, orange, or grape, they most prefer.
The responses are summarized in the table shown. Our goal is to test whether, in the population, all 4 fruits are equally preferred. We begin by opening the Analytics toolbox and selecting the Goodness of Fit option. In the dialog that opens, we enter a label for the factor. In this example we type in fruit preference. Now, we click the plus sign to add rows for data entry. In the label column, we type the names of the fruits: banana, apple, orange, and grape. Then, in the observation counts column, we enter the preference counts for each fruit. Finally, in the test of hypothesis section, we select a method for our test and click the preview button, then the output appears with the results including tables and graphs. Now suppose that instead of equal preference for all fruits, we want to hypothesize different probabilities for each fruit as shown in the table. For that, simply enter the desired probabilities in the null probability column. Then, click Preview to generate the new results. Rguroo offers more options under the Details section. Here, you can access diagnostics, and set options for graphs, simulation methods, or power analysis. And that's it. With just a few steps, you can perform a goodness of fit test in Rguroo. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.